बच्चे any doubt in previous lecture? भव्या, you want to say something? हाँ जी बेटे.
मैम एक बार ओव्यूल्स की डेफिनेशन आप बता दो.
Okay बेटा, ovules. Arjun, can you tell what are ovules? Yes, speak out. Come here. शिनचैन आ गया आज क्लास में, लीजिए शिनचैन. एक मिनट रुक जा बेटा, पहले शिनचैन से बात कर ले. यस शिनचैन, यस शिनचैन. Why you removed my friend Chota Bheem? Oh, you are here to question me. I am going to remove you also. Shinchan, let me dare and remove you. Hanji. Yes. Here I am having Arjun with me. He will speak out. What are ovules? Please listen. Come to this side. Speak out.
They are large number. They are small bead-like
Structures
seen inside the ovary. These ovule contains female gametes.
Right. Right. Bhavya, I guess it is clear to you. Rishita, your doubt beta?
यस मैम. मैम स्टिग्मा की डेफिनेशन बता दो, और ओव्यूल्स की जब अर्जुन बोल रहा था ना, आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
ओके ओके, लिखिए स्टिग्मा. स्टिग्मा, it is the uppermost sticky tip of the pistil. It is the uppermost sticky tip of the pistil which receives pollen grains at the center of a flower. दूसरा था ovules. These are the small, large in number, bead-like structures seen inside the ovary. Ovules contain female gametes. Aditya Arora, your doubt? अब डोरेमोन आ गया. Why you removed my friend Shinchan? हाँ, ये देखो, ये मैडम से बदला लेने आ रहे हैं. कल छोटा भीम आया था, आज शिनचैन आ गया, हमने डोरेमोन को भी भगा दिया. Because this is not the class of cartoon characters. Yes, Aditya Arora, do you have any doubt? Aditya Arora? No. Okay. Okay, students. This is done. Any other doubt? Okay. Today we are going to start with our topic fruits. Functions of flower नहीं हुए? चलिए पहले functions of flower लिखिए. Can anybody tell the function of flower? Number 1 तो I told you, they are the reproductive organs of plant. Number 2, are you writing Pranav? They are the reproductive organs of plant. Tom and Jerry can tell. Okay, आज Tom and Jerry से सुनते हैं. He is going to answer. If you are here to disturb me, I am here to disturb you. Yes, यारा तेरी यारी को. Okay, this is being recorded, बेटा. Don't worry, principal मैम को दिखा रही हूँ मैं. हाँ जी, unmute yourself, Tom and Jerry. We want to listen you. हाँ जी, unmute yourself. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and he will leave. You are wasting my time. हाँ जी टॉम एंड जेरी, क्या हो गया? You were तो showing me the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why you are not unmuted? Are you afraid of me? Come on, unmute yourself. I am Jerry. Okay. Unmute yourself and show me your face. Tom is eating cheese. Don't worry, beta. Everything is getting recorded. My full team is with me. Okay. Okay. If you have a full team, we are also having a full team. Shin Chan. Okay. अभी टाइपिंग चल रही है. कोई बात नहीं. I want के he should type more messages so that I can show it to मैम. आज की रिकॉर्डिंग मैम को दिखा देती हूँ मैं. But by I am not free. Okay. Bye. Don't come to my class. Okay, students. Let us start. What did I say? They are the reproductive organs of plant. Number 2. और कोई बता सकता है फ्लावर्स हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस. Very good, Kanishk. Flowers are used for decorations, for making perfumes. Yes, flowers are used to attract insects for pollination. They are used in temples, right? Yes, Bhavya? Bhavya, do you have any doubt? बेटा डेकोरेशन अलग भी होती है फ्लावर्स के साथ. टेम्पल्स
मैम फ्लावर से हमें कलर भी मिलता है.
Yes, you can get the color also. And flowers are used in soaps also. Soaps, right? Medicines are also made. Ninja Hattori has come to your class. कोई बात नहीं. Okay, students, no problem. Today I am going to show it to ma'am. Let me. Okay, let us move to. Don't pay attention here. He is wasting our time. Fruit. Yes, Harshia, you are right. फ्लावर के सेंस में भी यूज होता है. फ्लावर का सेंस यूज होता है, राइट? Shall we move with the flower? Okay, students. बच्चे फ्रूट. फ्रूट क्या है? As I told you yesterday, if you remember, what is this? Pistil. Female reproductive part of the flower. तो ये देखिए. What happen is, pay attention please, everyone. Just see. This is stigma. This is style. This is ovary. And these are ovules, right? Bead-like structures. Now what happen is, when pollen grains, they come here, right? They are transferred here at the stigma. Process is known as, क्या बोलते हैं process को? Pollination. यहाँ पे जब ट्रांसफर हो रहा है एंथर्स का, at this end of this stigma. Stigma is receiving it. The process is known as pollination. Now the pollen grains, they enter the style, few pollen grains. Then some of the pollen grains, they enter the ovary and then meet with the ovules. Then what happen is this, when pollen grains, they meet the ovules, the process is known as fertilization, and the ovary is now ripened ovary. Ripened मतलब पक गई, ripe से बना है word, ripen ovary. Right? This ripen ovary, this is fruit. अब क्या है ये? Fruit. Then in the fruit, seeds are also present. Right? The outer wall of this fruit is known as pericarp. Carp. अब देखो मैंने इसको बंद कर दिया. Means it has ripened now. Right? Now no more pollen grains will enter. Block हो गया. So it will become fruit, and the outer wall of the fruit is known as pericarp. Inside there are seeds. Got it? Is that clear? छोटा सा है, आपकी बुक में तो डिटेल भी नहीं दी हुई. Now note down the fruit if you want to note down. What is a fruit? Fruit is a ripened ovary containing seeds. Fruit is a ripened ovary containing seeds inside it. Right? Ovary containing seeds inside it. Is that clear? After fertilization, yes, Bhavya, you want to say something?
मैम एक बार जो आपने बताया ये बता दो, वो आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी पहले.
Okay. Yes, students. Pollen grains, they reach here. Process is known as pollination. Now the pollen grains, they will meet with the ovules, and this ovary will become ripen ovary, that is fruit, and fruit has seeds inside it. Is that clear? Now what are fruit? अगर definition लिखनी हो, what is a fruit? It is a ripened ovary which contains seeds inside it. Clear? After fertilization, the external wall of the, after fertilization, the external wall of the ovary develops into fruit wall. External wall of the ovary develops into fruit wall known as pericarp. Known as pericarp. बेटा pericarp ये देखो, known as pericarp. Right? Now functions क्या है? Fruits store food inside them. उनके अंदर fruit होता है, food होता है. पुरंजे. Yes बेटे.
मैम आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन वाला एक बार रिपीट कर दो तो.
Okay बेटा. After fertilization, the external wall of the ovary, develops into fruit wall known as pericarp. Clear? Then coming to functions, fruits store food in them. Right? Food in them. Number 2, they protect the seeds. And keep them safe for long periods. लंबे समय तक सीड्स फ्रूट के अंदर रहते हैं एंड दे आर सेफ, दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड इनसाइड द फ्रूट. ओके, अब फ्रूट बन गया. देन कम्स द सीड. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है? सीड. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक? व्हाट इज सीड? क्या है जी सीड? इट इज डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम फर्टिलाइज्ड ओव्यूल्स. क्या है सीड? ये पोकेमॉन आ गया, मेरा ध्यान उधर चला गया. पोकेमॉन है ना. What are ovules? Ovules are fertilized seeds. Sorry, seeds are fertilized ovules. Seeds क्या है? Fertilized ovules, right? Each. Why you are ignoring me? Wow, Pokemon. What type of question is this? Why you are ignoring me? Just come in front of the camera. Why your video is switched off? I don't want to talk to cartoon characters. Okay, students? Okay, I will fulfill your request. I will not ignore you now. Now I will remove you. Okay, students. कहाँ पे थे हम? Seeds develop from fertilized ovules. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. The seed, on getting favorable climatic conditions, germinate into a plant. Right? Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Right? हर सीड के अंदर क्या होता है? बेबी प्लांट. On getting favorable conditions, seed develop into a plant. Seed germinate. Right? Germinate into the seedling. Germination के बाद क्या होता है? Seedling. Right? Now, any doubt in this chapter? We have finished our chapter. In our next class, we will be doing the question answers. अगर कोई doubt है इस chapter में, you can ask me now. Stigma. Krishna, stigma is the uppermost sticky tip of the pistil which receive the pollen grains. Clear? Now, first of all, make the list of diagrams of this chapter that you have to make in your fair notebook. Style, Nitya, style is, हाँ जी, फ्रूट का क्या बोल रहा है? Yes, speak out, Pavandeep will speak. Fruit. Yes, Arjun. They protect the seeds present inside them. Benton आ गया क्लास में. Make a list of diagrams. हैं? Let me write. हाँ जी नित्या, मैं भूल गई थी आपका. Stigma. Stigma is long elongated tube that connects. Sorry, style पूछा था ना आपने. Style is the long elongated tube. Benton, please stop this because I am getting irritated now. Okay? Style is the long elongated tube that connects the stigma and ovary. Right? Is that clear? Zygote. Zygote is a single-celled structure. Okay? Then now come to list of diagrams. क्या है list of? सिंगल सेल्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एक सेल से बनता है, उससे आगे डेवलपमेंट होती है। हाँ जी भव्या, फर्टिलाइजर्स कोई चीज नहीं है, इट इज फर्टिलाइजेशन। फर्टिलाइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस when male gamete, that is pollen grains, meet with the ovules or female gametes, right? That process is known as fertilization. And what is pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is known as pollination. By various agents, transfer takes place by various agents like wind, water, insects. Okay, now make the list of diagrams that you should draw in your. I am sorry to disturbing you, but it's fun. No problem, beta. I will talk to ma'am. Hanji beta, first is parts of plant body. Number 2, parts of stem. Then number 3, leaf, venation, then types of root, note down, then parts of flower या LS of flower लिख लो, LS of flower, मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट और स्टेमन, इसको अलग से बनाओगे। नंबर 8, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ फ्लावर और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पिस्टल। इज दैट क्लियर? Hey ma'am, do not ignore me please. Who am I to ignore you beta? विनेशन, कौन सी विनेशन ऋषिता, आपको विनेशन नहीं करवाई गई? हाँ जी कनव, ये फेयर में बनाने हैं, विनेशन करवाई है ना आपको? रेटिकुलेट एंड पैरेलल विनेशन, उसी के डायग्राम्स। Note it down. After this, start drawing the flower. I am going to check it now. Hurry up. रफ कॉपी पे अभी जो यहाँ पे बैठे हैं इन सबकी चेक करूंगी मैं। हरी अप, ड्रॉ विथ पेंसिल पवन। अर्शिया योर डाउट?
7th नंबर पे कौन सा लिखा है डायग्राम?
हाँ जी,
कौन सा डायग्राम है?
कौन से नंबर पे?
7th।
स्टेमन।
ओके मैम।
Hurry up students. Hurry up, draw the diagram. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now and show me. बच्चे ये क्या बनाया है? What is this? Draw like this. ऐसे दिस इज पेडिसल, ट्री थोड़ी बनाना है हमने क्या बनाया है? दिस इज रॉन्ग, ड्रॉ प्रॉपरली. दिस इज थैलमस, लिटिल बिट broadened. Draw now. Draw sepals first. इस पे sepals draw करो. Hurry up, those who are sitting here. If you have drawn, show me. Kanav, Benton was praising you. You are the most intelligent one in class. I think he is your friend. 7 नंबर पे हरजीत स्टेमन लिखा है. Those who have drawn the diagram, they can show me. Hurry up. Yes, Srishti. Srishti. Where is she? Your hand was raised. Who is this, Bhavya? Okay. Show me, show me, show me. I couldn't see it. थोड़ा पीछे करो. Yes. ये सेपल्स कहाँ को जा रही हैं? हाँ? Where are the sepals going? दिखाओ दोबारा, अभी तो सिर्फ सेपल्स देखी है मैंने. They are wrong. Then एंथर ठीक नहीं बने हैं. बच्चे आपने एंथर ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, फिलामेंट को आपने स्टेमन लिखा हुआ है. व्हाट इज दिस? ये देखिए, द बिगेस्ट ब्लंडर दैट यू आर डूइंग. सी, इस तरह ड्रॉ करते हो, राइट? इसको लेबल ऐसे करना है, एंथर फिलामेंट, राइट? लेबल करा. देन बेटा अगर इसको पकड़ियो ऐसे, बस ऐसे पकड़ियो, मैं देख लूं जरा. एंथर फिलामेंट लिख के देन दिस इज नोन एज स्टेमन. गॉट इट? इज दैट क्लियर? This is Chhota Bhim's video. I hope you all can see. This is Chhota Bhim's video. Only flower he has drawn. Otherwise, he was writing, I am very much talented. See? Just show your face, Chhota Bhim. We want to see you. Not a flower, your face. Why? Why you are not showing your face? Afraid of? Chhota Bhim?